Hello and welcome to this new video on how to regenerate previous chats on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result that says ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT interface will be open right in front of you. And in the bottom of the ChatGPT interface, there is a message box, so you can just type your question and message, and ChatGPT will give you the answer. I'll just type a random text and I'll just press enter in my keyboard. Now ChatGPT will start to give me the answer of the text. And when it has completed the text and giving the answer, in the bottom of the text, there will be multiple icons. So you just have to look in the third icon from the left hand side as it says regenerate when you hover around it. So you just have to click on this icon and it will regenerate the previous chats. So this is how you can easily regenerate previous chats on ChatGPT. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.